2 days temporary pause, the prices of petrol and diesel have been hiked once again by 25 paise per litre for petrol and 35 paise per litre for diesel. In the national capital itself, the petrol prices stand at 90 rupees 0.83 paise per litre for petrol and 81.32 per litre for diesel itself. This increase in the fuel prices has been attributed to the steep rise in the global crude prices. We'll be getting you ground updates and what the people are thinking of this skyrocketing fuel prices that have been reported now crossing the 90 rupee mark in the national capital itself.
As petrol and diesel price continue to soar due to rise in the fuel rates, Union Petroleum and Natural Gas Steel Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has blamed the hike on reduced production by the international market. There are two main reasons behind the fuel price rise. The international market has reduced the fuel production and manufacturing countries are producing less fuel to gain more profit. This is making the consumer countries suffer. Government have been continuously urging the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries and OPEC that it should not happen, with the hope that there will be a change. In Delhi, petrol price increased to 90.58 a litre. Diesel price rose to 80.97 a litre in the national capital. Petrol and diesel prices in the country continue, though it remained unchanged for two consecutive days till Monday. On 20th February, petrol price was hiked by a record of 39 paise per litre and diesel by 37 paise per litre. But today, the petrol price took a steep at 35 paise and diesel also at 35 paise, making a petrol 90.93 per litre and diesel at 81.32 per litre. Petrol and diesel prices in India have witnessed a climb since a week.
As we have been seeing the rise in petrol and diesel prices, the current price for diesel is 88.64 paisa here in the state of Telangana and the petrol price is 99.51 paisa. But when we speak about the common citizens, well, they definitely feel the pinch of the price hike, and also they have been asking the central government to bring down the taxes. The people here, the cab drivers especially, have been facing the pinch, and as you can see, the petrol price today is 88, diesel price is 88.69 paisa and the petrol price is 94.54 paisa. So now this is what the prices have been increasing day by day. Well, few days back we had seen the petrol price being around 75 to 80, but now it has already crossed the mark of 94 rupees here in the state of Telangana, and people also have been asking the government to bring down the petrol and diesel prices.